Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai Sobat Nurhapid Podcast, back again on the Nurhapid Podcast. Okay, now we have an ordinary guest. Let's welcome Ismail Nurhapid Jamal. Okay, how are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Like Bro Apple C. I'm very impressed. How about you? Are you sick?
No, I'm fine. Okay, so the theme of the podcast is fast vacation. Before conversation, let me introduce ourselves before. Okay, my name is Muhammad Saifullah Darmayanto. As the host in this podcast, my friend usually called me a fool. I live in Cikalong Wetan, West Java. I'm 19 years old and that's it. Okay, let's introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Ismail Nurhapi Jamal. My friend calls my name Mail. I live in a village called Cexel on the border of Bogor Cikalong. People are more familiar with the name Jonggol. I'm 20 years old. Maybe that's all my brief introduction.
Okay, are you vacation last week?
My last vacation when the second semester of college holidays.
Oh, it's the second semester of college holidays. Okay, so how was your holiday?
My vacation can be said to be fun and weird.
Uh, please tell me about your first vacation. Where did you go and what did you do there?
Okay, I tell you here. I will tell you about my last vacation because the theme that we raised in podcast this time was about holiday. My last vacation that I told about in the Telegram group was camping with my classmates in the Pangalengan area. This vacation can be said to be fun. It can also be said to be strange, and of course, the end is tired.
Tell me, why is it fun and why is it weird?
Why can it be fun? Yeah, because this holiday together with class friend who rarely meet due to online lectures and a lot of silence, the happens.
And then, why is it weird? Why is it weird?
And then why? You could say it was strange because there were mystical events at the camp where I heard strange noise from inside the tent, but not only we were heard, but my friend also. Then the next strange this on my friend was the motorbike. Let's lost the motorbike key. Wheel hitting the motorbike even though I was there to see the motorbike key feel where I saw it.
Wow, it's so have fun vacation. Okay, now I want to tell you about my vacation last week because I have vacation too. Do you want to listen me?
Yeah, I won't listen your story vacation.
Okay, so last week I went to Mount Lembu at Purwakarta, West Java. I went there with my friends by motorcycle. His name is Sandiaga. The trip is very nice because the view is very beautiful. The trip takes 2 hours from my house to Mount Lembu. At there, I prefer to hiking. We started climbing at 14 a.m. together with my friends. I faced the forest and coffee plantation during mountain climbing. An hour later, Sandiaga instructed us to stop. We then take a break at a hut. The atmosphere at the climbing place is very cool. We also encountered a strange animal, a lizard that was brightly colored and very large. However, Sandiago told us to act as usual, as if nothing happened. At 17 p.m., we arrived at the first peak and we decided to set up a tent. In the evenings, we lighted the fire, ate and chat. It was an amazing holiday experience. I will never forget all the experience.
Oh, very interesting, bro.
Oh, thank you, bro. Okay, after we talk about vacation for a long time, maybe there are vacation planning tips so that we all can know what a fun and smooth vacation is like. So, can you explain for these tips for the people to watching this?
Okay, thank you. I can share tips for planning to go on vacation so that our vacation goes smoothly. Number one, the place vacation destination. It is very important to have a common goal when going on vacation. What do you expect from this holiday? Do you want to fill your holiday with lots of activity or just relax? Uh, Number two, start activity. Are you used to starting activity in the morning or in the afternoon? You must be able to compromise in starting activity during vacation. Tips number three, planning. Do you prefer to plan each activity in advance or do everything spontaneously? Some people don't like itinerary, but some people feel more secure with itineraries. Tips number four, stress. The difficulty of an internet connection, long immigration queues, and jet lag often make travel feel stress. How do you and your colleagues deal with it? Can you deal with a situation like this? Maybe tips from me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, the point of five is a comfort. Everyone has different comfort indicators. There are travelers who prefer to stay at homestays, hotels, or even inns. But there are also those who can only sleep on soft mattress and air-conditioned room. Kemudian poin of six is culinary. Food in some places can be very different from what we usually eat. Can you and your friends eat special food at your vacation place? Then, point of eight, strengths and weakness. Points in vacationing together are helping each other to create a pleasant holiday atmosphere. If you are more careful in planning your schedule and your friends are better at reading maps, it will be easier for you to travel together. Okay, so that's all the tips from us to planning before go on vacation. Maybe the podcast is the end.
Thank you, Bro Epul.
Okay, okay. Welcome. Thank you for having time for visit to this podcast. Thank you,
Okay.
Ismail.
You're welcome, Bro Epul.